Hi there, welcome to the channel. With layoffs happening more than ever, you may feel hesitant even you have a new job offer. Should you move on to the new job or should you stay put? How to make a thoughtful choice for your better future? In today's video, I'll take you through a step-by-step process to think through it so that you have better clarity to make a decision that works for you. Let's dive in. I'm Carrie. I'm a former C-suite executive turned personal growth educator. In the past, making a job switch was straightforward. Better pay, more opportunities. Of course, why not? What are you hesitating about? But in an uncertain period like now, there is so much more to consider. For example, roles can be eliminated or changed due to AI revolution. Or better pay opportunities could mean much more high demand and higher potential to burnout. Or business can shut down unexpectedly due to geopolitical changes. So broadly speaking, stay in a job is safe is no longer that true. Given there is no absolute answer, it's better to get clarity for yourself and for the jobs. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Identify your minimum non-negotiable needs. What do you need the job for? We can look into 3 areas. The first one is prospect. The second one is reward. The third one is satisfaction. Under each of these categories, you can assign 3 needs in specific terms that is non-negotiable. For example, in terms of prospect, is like I definitely need a promotion right now. Or I want to get involved in AI projects so that it can help to build your future. Or under reward, you want to have 20% more salary to cover your increased daily expenses. Under satisfaction, you want to work with the manager who really recognize your needs. Or the company culture must work with you and align for what you believe in. Try to write down at least 3 needs under each category so you can have a list of at least 9 needs about why do you need a job for. Step 2. What is the seasons of your job? So when you first start a new job, it will feel like spring and summer because you can feel excited and everything is new. You just newly created relationships or experience. Then slowly, bit by bit, you grow what you have contributed to the company. And summer is the time that you see more fruits that come out from what you have built in the spring of your time that you were in the job. So after a while, then you reach a plateau, which is like autumn, meaning like you are so familiar with what you're doing, you feel it's very easy to complete your job, you feel very comfortable, but the overall satisfaction doesn't increase anymore. Just stay there. After a while, you will feel lack of satisfaction, so it will go to decline. It becomes the winter. Then that's the time most people will think about, oh, should I change a job? I really am not happy about the job. And this is the season of a job. So think about it. What is the season of your current job is in? Are you in the more like spring, summertime where you're still building your experience through this job? Or are you at the later time, like autumn, winter, where you feel like, okay, there's nothing much I can do, it will be probably decline? That will help you get a gauge about where you are and what you want to really learn more when you move from job to job. Step 3. Assess how good these jobs meet your needs. You can create a table with 3 columns. The first column is your minimum non-negotiable needs that we've identified in step 1. When thinking about the needs, you also want to go back to step 2, which we talk about the seasons of your job, to prioritize and reorder the priorities of these 9 needs. Which one is more important based on the seasons of your job? And of course, have to base on the seasons of your life as well. Under column 2, you put on the current job and you give a score for how good this current job meets the needs. And the third column is for the new job, how good this new job is meeting the needs. Then you can add up all the scores at the bottom. That will show you overall how good the current job and the new job meets your needs. And you also want to take a look of the high priorities one, where how good these 2 opportunities meet them, because you would not want to have like the job which only meets a very low score and the high priority ones, but the high score at the bottom. This is an analytical approach to assess how you can choose a job based on your needs. Sometimes if the score is the same, you will be struggle. Then you can go for the step 4, which is use your body. I've heard a story from Hedwig Wessel. She is a Norwegian skiing athlete and also a world champion. When she struggled to make a decision to whether to go to a competition or not after a serious injury, her psychologist asked her to create 2 pieces of paper. On one paper is writing, go for the competition. On the other one is writing to give up. Then she put the 2 papers on the floor and stepped on it. She stepped on each of them and really embraced the feelings that when she was on the paper. And through the exercise, she will feel how each of these decisions will bring the feelings, emotions, and sensations to her. And through that, she finally managed to make the decision, because she feels so much more lighter when she picked the choice to go ahead to compete, while she feels very heavy and awful when she chooses to give up. So for your case, you could write down 1 piece of paper is going for the new job. The other one is staying in the current company. You can even write your job title and company name underneath so as to make it more real. And then you try to step on it better barefoot, because that will have a better connection to your body, and feel it. Feel which one lights you up and feel which one make you feel awful. I hope these 4 steps help you to figure out whether you want to move on to a new job or stay put. If you are listening up till this time, I would like to give you 2 reminders. In times of uncertainty, it's time to stop relying on any external factors like any job to create security. It's time to build our capability so that we can create opportunities. And that is the safest bet you can make on yourself. I hope you like this video. If you find it useful, please share it with someone else. Thank you for watching. See you next time.